Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 33 Donaldson Road in Methil. This is a fantastic 3-bedroom mid-terraced, really spacious property, beautiful gardens front and rear, and a great potential to really add value and make the perfect home. So what I'll do is take you on the tour, show you everything that this property has to offer, exactly where you can add value, and keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property here, number 33, so on-street parking just here, and then you're directly into your property. So beautiful garden to the front, as I say, landscaped with plenty mature shrubs and plants, beautiful colours as well, so really well presented front garden. And then you've even got a little bench there so you can just sit out the front if you like, just obviously have a great outlook into your garden. It's a little bit windy, so let's head inside and start the tour. Now we're going to start upstairs as always and we'll make our way down. So don't forget potential to add value, which you'll see as we go throughout. So two bedrooms just up here, and you're currently a shower room. However, easily put a bath into this space if you'd prefer, but a generous sized shower room. Currently got obviously your shower cubicle, but as I say, you would easily get a bath in here if you wish. Then we come into the second bedroom, really spacious and bright, as you can see. Really generous sized rooms with this property, which is brilliant. You do have a storage cupboard just in this corner here, but this is your second bedroom. And I love the fact that the windows sit that slightly higher just because they're not looked into. And then we come along into your first bedroom, which is a brilliant sized room, really spoilt with the size of these rooms. Again, you can see storage just in the corner just there. But isn't this incredible? Such a great size and so nice and bright as well. And then you do have further storage just in this space here, which you could easily just obviously fit out with shelves just for a further kind of wardrobe area. But this is your 2 bedrooms up here, and again those windows sitting slightly higher so you're not looked into. Then we'll head downstairs and show you further areas you can add value. Now I did say 2 bedrooms, 2 receptions, but what you could actually do is use this as a 3rd bedroom if you wish. There's so much potential that you could do with this. You come into this space here, you've got the outlook to the garden at the rear, which we will go out to, but this is either a 2nd reception room or a bedroom or a home office if you need to work from home. But this is this additional space, and then again just storage in the corner just there, and then you have the outlook to your garden, as I say. And then just under the stairs, back out in the hallway, you have this area here, so you could easily do some fitted storage into that space. And then we come into your lounge. So again, a really great size, and I just love how bright this property is. So peaceful here as well. You can hear the birds in the background. And then you've got that great big window letting all that natural light flood in, but it's allowing you to just look out into your garden space, especially because it's so well cared for and maintained, so of course you want to be able to look out onto it. But this is your lounge, and obviously you can see you have your feature fireplace. We then come into your kitchen, so plenty of cabinet space, especially as we have further on this wall just here. So you have storage just in the cupboard, and then also houses the boiler. So this is your kitchen space. Now something you could do is, if you remember we were just in the 2nd reception room, that is the other side of this wall. You could also, if you wanted, knock this wall down and create a large kitchen dining space, because you still obviously do have your lounge. So if you don't need that 2nd reception, you could be knocking through to make a big kitchen diner. But this is currently your kitchen space. And then you have the outlook into the garden. So let's head outside. Now it is a bit windy, so as soon as we step out, now this is obviously would have been a coal store, but I know more people these days are having log burners, so that could be somewhere to keep obviously the logs. But this is your outdoor garden space. So we come down the steps low maintenance with the chips, slightly laid to lawn, kind of drying green, and then you have the 2 outdoor storage sheds. So generous size, plenty of space for outdoor storage. You could even use one as a workshop. And then this is your garden. And then looking back at number 33. So this is your garden space. You can imagine this being a real sun trap as well. So let's recap number 33. That was a personal property tour for 33 Donaldson Road in Methil. As you've just seen for yourself, a fantastic 3-bedroom mid-terrace property. Really spacious, you're getting those really generous sized rooms, and it's so bright as well. It's just perfect. Great potential to add value and really make it your own. And then you've got that really well presented garden to the front, you've got your garden to the rear, and you have all of your amenities on your doorstep as well with this property. It's such a central location. Walking distance to your amenities, you're just a short distance to Methil Hill Primary School and Leavenmouth Academy. You're also great for commuting from this location now because of course the Leven train station's open, so you can get connected with Dundee, Edinburgh and beyond. You also have the Leven bus station that will connect you all across Fife. So you have everything on your doorstep while getting the perfect family home and really getting to add value. So if this property is for you, then you can either click the link on the video, message me directly, or you can call the team on 01 333 421 774. Sophie and 5 Properties TV, take care.